Hi, hello everyone. I'm Raghu Ramasamy, and with my supervisor, Professor Dr. Mazita Pute, would like to present my research titled Bar Model Kit Innovation Help to Solve HOTS Problem in Maths for Kids. As an introduction, innovation in teaching and learning is needed to discover new challenges in education. If you look at the math syllabus, nowadays it's getting challenging. So you need something new, innovation or any new tools to make the kids learn or achieve the objective easily. According to Professor Rajendran 2017, he said that everyone is able to think on low-level thinking, but with proper expose, adjustment, guidance and encouragement enable us to think at higher level of thinking. Means an individual can be trained to master thinking skill by providing systematic and continuous training. Bar model method plays an important role in Singapore since it is introduced by their Ministry of Education in early 80s. According to Koh, Yeo and Lim 2009, this method is an innovation in teaching and learning. So I find out this method is very useful for the kids to solve the problem solving question, especially for HOTS question. So I have decided to invent a kit where I call it Bar Model Kit. For problem statement, Malaysia have a huge gap in teams for mathematics compared to our neighbor country Singapore. Singapore are doing well in this teams exam. So if we look at the method that Singapore are using, one of the method is this bar model. So I have decided why don't we give a try to our kids using bar model to solve the problem solving question, especially higher order thinking questions. The objective of this research is this study is to determine whether using this bar model kit innovation can be an alternative method to solve HOTS question in mathematics, and the researcher also wants to investigate whether there is a change from negative to positive attitude of learning. The methodology for this research is experimental research has been carried out through pre and post test without control group. The participants of the research are Year 6 DLP students from Sekolah Kebangsaan Bukit Bandaraya Bangsa Kuala Lumpur. The findings are the pre and the post test was analysed by using t-test. Data also collected through observation. For finding and discussion, the result of the pre and post test show there's a difference in average mean score, where in pre-test the mean score were 35.44 and post-test the mean score was 61.43. So there is an increase in mean score for post and pre-test. From the observation, the researcher and the teacher found that by using bar model kits, the students pay more attention in the topics discussed. The student enjoy the lesson using the bar model kits to solve mathematics questions. At the beginning, students had some problem to estimate the size of bar according to its value. With more practice and direct questions, they were able to estimate the value correctly. As a conclusion, bar model representative for HOTS questions affect students' achievement. Students can convert problem questions to bar representative, and this gives a clear picture to the students to find the best solution for the question. Researchers also found that the time factor become a constraint to keep implementation of this workshop. So in future, researcher would like to reduce the topics from 4 topics into 2 topics so that student can master the skill taught and do more practice using bar model. Thank you very much for your time.